Hey, it's Mrs. Landis again, and today we're going to be talking about discounts and sale price. If you're in my class, we're on this worksheet here. So go ahead and cut along the dotted line and paste that into your notes, or just write this stuff down in your notes. If you're not in my class, maybe you're just watching this for review. I hope it helps. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here's some vocabulary we need to look at first. Discounted rate. It's the percent of the reduced from the original cost. The discount is the amount that is reduced from an original cost. So if you go into a store, you may see a sign that says 30% off. That's the rate. Then you have to do the math to figure out how much is 30%. That's the discount. Then when you're all done, you find that percentage off, the discount, you have the sales price. That's the reduced cost of an item. Go ahead and pause this so you can finish writing these out. Okay, so I'm walking along, I'm shopping, and I see this sign here, 15% discount. Whew, excited, love a discount. But it's for video games, and I'm not much for video games. However, shout out to my nephew Cohen. He loves video games, so I'm gonna go in and buy him a video game. So here's the scenario. A store that sells video games gives a 15% discount for customers who trade in a used game. I brought in a game to trade. Don't know where I got it, but I have it. And I bought a game that cost $29.99. Put that in green because it's money. How much will the game cost before tax? So I know that I traded one in. I get a discount of 15%. So the first thing I have to do is find that discount. So just like if you watch my previous videos on tax and tips and commissions, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to multiply. We're going to take 15% of $29.99. So I'm going to change this into a decimal. Times $29.99. And that's going to give me, I already did some math, so I'm just looking on my cheat sheet here. 4.4985. However, hopefully you remember that we're rounding to the nearest cent, which is right here. So that 8 is going to change that 9 into a 10, which changes that into a 5. So my discount would be $4.50. Not bad. So then the second step is to find the total. I put sales tax. I'm going to erase that here. It's sales price. I'm not looking for tax right now. The total sales price. So in the last ones, because we were looking at tips and taxes and commission, we would add it. But this is a discount. It's taking away. So I have $29.99 minus $4.50. So that's going to give me $25.49 is what I'm going to pay so that my nephew Cohen can have a new video game. All right, let's do this one together. So Jane is buying a tablet. The original price is $79. It is on sale for 10% off. Calculate the discount and sales price. So we said step 1 is to figure out what is the sales price. So we're saying that it's 10% of 79. So I'm going to change this into a decimal. And that equals $7.90. Okay? Then step 2 Hopefully you guys are remembering this. Step 2 is then to find out exactly what's the cost gonna be. So I'm gonna take the original 79 and subtract 790. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way. Do a little math for you this time. So that tablet's gonna cost $61.10 before tax. Okay, now it's gonna be your turn to try one. So you're gonna wanna pause and check out this next question, and then we'll come back and see how you did. Okay, so hopefully you guys figured out that we bought 2 big pumpkins that were $7, so there's 14. So first step is we're gonna take 25% of $14. 0.25 times 14 is $3.50. Then we have to find out actually what the sale price is. So 14 minus $3.50 is $10.50 before tax. If you have any questions, go ahead and write them down and bring them to class or email me. Hope you guys got a lot out of it, you learned some, and we'll see you next time.